cleaning the Ryker. I've barely ever used water on it. I have on the wheels mostly, not on the whole Ryker. Just haven't seen the need for it. The wheels, mostly I got caught in the rain once, so I had to wash them like a day later. I've been out on like some gravel, so I've cleaned the wheels. It's been harder to wipe down. Doing just a local ride, I pretty much just wipe it down. I use the shine protectant from Slick Products. It has a good smell. It smells like bubble gum versus, you know, other shiners that, you know, they smell like oil, like an, you know, like a residue or whatever. So I bought another 6. They run a sale. They had a sale now for the holidays, so I purchased another 6. Ooh, I mean, I'm riding the Ryker a lot more now. Let's clean the tires very well. Anything that's black plastic, even on the vinyl, I've used it and it shines. It gives it on the headlights. I've used it. You can leave it for a shiny gloss, or I leave it on for a minute, and then I work my way around and I let it sit there for a minute because it feels like it's working itself into it. Like here I haven't put it on, here I have. Left it the last time I shined the bike like that because I was waiting for more to come in. I'll put it on. Doesn't have to be, you know, excessive. Anything that I want, and then I just go back and I wipe it down. Anything that's black, but I do let it sit on there for a minute or so. The tires, this thing works amazing. On the wheels, I had them powder coated, so I did spot check it, but I'll usually just spray the tire down, and then whatever residue I have on the wheel, I just kind of wipe the wheel down with it, and actually makes it a lot easier for cleaning down the road. Like if I put water on the tires, while I'm spraying the whole Ryker down, the rest is working itself. You know, then I go back around and I hit it. I do it side by side, do all the wheels, and then I just go back down and wipe everything down except the tires. I'll do the wheel, but I won't wipe down the tire. I just pretty much leave it like that. If they're dirty, I then wash the tire. But otherwise, I just spray it like that. You can see it working. And anything that's black, not sure if the camera will pick it up, but if it's dull like that now, and just let it sit a little bit, you'll see it working for sure. But you gotta let it sit. You can't just spray it and wipe it down. You gotta let it work. And you can also leave it on if you like a gloss, but I personally don't like it, especially on the tank. I'll spray it, but I won't leave it on just because, you know, when I ride, I don't want my shirt to feel sticky. But otherwise, I spray it on the whole Ryker, and then I come back and I wipe it down. This metal, I sometimes leave it. I just don't want it to pick up dirt. But anything that's tough skin, I've sprayed it. But again, if you have your bike wrapped, do not do what I do. Spot check it, you know. Make sure that this product is for you. It may not be for everybody. If it's faded, it works. You can tell here that it's working already. I had ordered a microfiber rack from them previously, and then I just kind of like just buff it out, man. You know, you'll see. I mean, I think it looks good, and it has a great smell to it. It doesn't smell bad. And I just go through the whole Ryker, whatever I spray, the lights. And again, if you have any like bug residue, then use a little bit of water and a rag, but otherwise you don't need it. Kind of wipe it down after it's been sitting there for a minute. Any part of the Ryker that I'm gonna have my body on, I tend to wipe it down just because I don't want to get my clothes dirty. Tank look nice and shiny, I just buff it out. Back here, this was dull. I shined it up, I sprayed it, gave it some time, come back, I buff it out. The tough skin also, take it, buff it, all this, just wipe it down. You'll start noticing, even like here, look, all this looks nice and shiny now. I go back with it, I buff it out. And I do this every so often, especially if I ride it. And if I happen to throw water on the wheels, it comes right off. Not a paid endorsement. This is what I found on my personal time that works. And then I use it. You know, I don't mind using it because it works. That's it. Looking at whatever pieces you missed. If you missed anything, I like to do it out in the sun. I feel like it activates it. I feel like it works better. I've done it in the garage. It still works, but I feel like out in the sun, I can see what's faded a lot better. Never used any of their cleaning products. I've always used like just regular car wash for like the wheels. This shine, as long as it's on the market, I'll probably use it forever, to be honest with you. I mean, just look at the hood. You can tell the difference. I mean, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but see the case here. Let it sit for a minute. It'll pick up a nice shine. Then I go through everything else that I've missed. If you liked anything in this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Helps my channel grow. Just hit subscribe or like something.